Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is good old Saturday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. I have another Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. We can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. I'm about to find out what they have to offer right now and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this definitely before Christmas. It is gonna be, oh boy, got one of these coming from X-Waves. Portable oral irrigator. Got X-Waves, nice one. Bada boom. Moves up to 99.9% black. Wireless charging, 20 days of continuous use. Low noise operation, 4 pressure modes. There you go. Cordless water flask. Get the molars in it, get them clean. There we go. So, very nice packaging. Now let's see what the goods look like. I had to take it out. There we go. Alright, here we go. Got them out. Here we go. And this must be the power supply. Yep. Charging base, the manual. We don't need a manual. It's pretty easy to set up. That's a nice charging base. Let me take it out. Show you guys what it's about. I got somewhere to hook it up at. Here we go. We got the USB, and it comes with the plug. This would be great for travel on the road, business trips, all your cons and your WrestleMania conventions and all that coming up. Definitely be a good one to take with you guys on the road. All you vloggers and bloggers. There we go, gamers. That's a nice travel size, definitely easy to carry. Look at this. Whoa! Alright, we know it worked. See if you guys can see, there's a power on, there's a mode button to switch the modes. Something's in there. This is where you fill it up at, I do believe. What is that? Oh, that's the thingy, the hose. So you just fill it up through here. Alright. And then, what is this? Oh, look at that. Comes a nice little travel pouch. Really nice. X-Waves. There you are, making some waves in the dental industry. See? That is. There you go. Cover that up. Take it on the road. Feels good, the bag. Nice bag. Alright. Got that. And these must be the tips. Get it out. Free. You are free. There you go. All these are the tips with the container, travel container. Store it in. Clean them. Got that. The hose. Got that. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And now how do we get just like this? Oh. That was simple. Just squirt. I'm gonna fill it up with water in a second. That was pretty easy. So that goes up there and shoots out. It's probably gonna be fast too. Alright. I could probably take this into the bathroom and do a video in there. So So this is what it looks like on the base. Get this out of the way. Drop the base. Make sure you line it up. There's a hole right there. And there's a little circle, or like the groove. Just gotta drop you guys down and show you. Kind of like so. So I would charge it up. There you go. Make sure it's there. See that? That'll look like when it's charging in charge mode. Then you just plug this in. Unless you got like a USB outlet in your bathroom, you can just plug it in with the USB. Or do not do it while driving. If you're on the road, pull over. And if you guys had to, in between meetings, clean your teeth, this would be a good one to do. But definitely don't do it while you're driving. Distracted driving, definitely. And there you go. Just plug it in. I'm gonna go in the bathroom, fill it up with the water. Show you guys what the water intake is. Should be easy one to, yeah, see, just take it off, fill the water up right through here. I'll show you guys in a second once I clean this area up, and I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, here we are. We got the water flowing. Just gotta stick it underneath there. Fill it up. Still not enough. There we go. That's plenty. See, we got the water. Shut that off. Let me wipe this down a little bit. Make sure you always dry it off. You get a little wet. Especially when it charges, you don't want to get shocked or electrocuted. Alright. We got 3 modes. 1, 2. It's probably the speed levels, too. It's gonna take a minute. There it goes. Whoa. There's a 3rd. That's like super soaker. Man. There's that 1 mode. I got it in my face. And there's that like a machine gun, sounds like. This would be kind of good to clean your sink. Oh. There's super sucker. Holy moly, I already used up water. Oh shoot. Oh. That was pretty cool. So there's a 3 modes. And I'll go back in the room and tell you the charge time and everything. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back now. It's so you get 1 portable oral irrigator, 1 standard or 2 standard nozzles, wireless charging base, charging adapter, storage pouch, and manual. Removes up to 99% plaque. 4 pressure modes, low, medium, high, and pulse. We saw those. 20 days of continuous use. Low noise operation. Wireless charging. Ooh, wireless charging. Alright. I'm trying to see what else I need to cover. Might be a little bit long video today. Alright, here we go. Charging. Place unit, we did that. Base proper. Connect the charging cable to power socket. The indicators will light during the charging. 30% charge equals 1 indicator flashes. 30 to 60%, 1 indicator continuous, and 1 flashes. Up to 99% charge, 2 indicators continuous, 1 flashes. 100% charge, 3 indicators lit continuously. It takes about 8 hours for full charge once you get it. So just put it on overnight, get some good rest. And 1 single charge provides 60 minutes continuous use. So that is really good. The nozzle, rinse with water. So this, proper maintenance. Once you use it, clean it up. Wipe main device body, wipe the surface clean, cleaning cloth, and wipe dry. Do not use diluter, gasoline, or alcohol. That makes sense. You want to do that. Do not immerse the unit in water to clean. So do not dunk it in the water because of the motors. Do not clean the water with warm water more than 50 degrees Celsius. Alright. So that's pretty much it for the X-Waves. Yeah, I got all the pretty much everything covered. So you guys check them out. Link will be down below to get one of these oral irrigators. You guys got still time to get this shipped to someone for Christmas. So it'll be another cool gift idea. If you guys don't know what else to get, this will be another good one. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see ya.